Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. What I'm sharing today is how I put together gift baskets. I had a request for this video, so I thought I'd share how I'm putting gift baskets together for like my husband and for a friend and then even for my boss. So I have a few gift baskets and I'll share them to you again really quick. I did do a haul on this, but I picked these up at Target. So I have this one, and then I also decided to make a gift basket out of this little popcorn one. And then for the bosses at work, I went really simple. I just bought these little boxes at Michael's, which I'm going to fill up with baked goods and just put like a card in there. Let's go ahead and get started with the video and I'll show you what I'm putting in there and how I put it together. The first gift basket is for my husband, and I think when you're putting a gift basket together, the most important thing to think about is what they like, because you just want to put stuff that they like, they're going to enjoy, and you definitely don't want to fill it with just like junk you definitely don't want to fill it with stuff that they're not going to use and it's going to be junk to them. So he loves Yetis. I put in this really large Yeti. I bought it on Black Friday for like 20% off or something like that. I don't remember, but he loves Yetis, and he always enjoys the attachment that the Yetis can come with. So I went ahead and got that for him as well. I put this lip balm because hello, dry lips during the winter. I do stuff the basket with like paper just to lift everything up because I think it looks prettier when everything is kind of lifted out of the gift basket. I did buy him his very own hot chocolate mug. So this is it. We have a whole Christmas tree of this pattern. If you're interested in that video, I'll link it below for you. But he loves this print and I thought it was a super cute mug. It also comes with this like little hot chocolate kit at the top. Then I just put some chocolates because who doesn't love chocolate? And that is how that gift basket came out, which I totally love. Moving on, I decided to make this popcorn bowl a gift basket because my husband doesn't like that bowl. If you watch that haul, you'll know why, but he's not a fan of this bowl. I think it's super cute personally, but whatever. So I thought I would make a cute little gift basket for someone that loves like movie nights, and who doesn't love movie nights? So I just picked, and honestly, I had a couple of these things in my pantry, you guys. So these two sodas are just like some root beer sodas, and you can put like their favorite soda, which is what I recommend, like if they like Coke or Dr. Pepper, some of their favorite candy. And then I just put some popcorn in there, the microwavable kind, and tied it with this twine. This gift basket is totally consumable, but then they'll get to keep this really cute little bowl and use it forever. The next gift basket is this rose gold one, and I just love it. I actually want to keep this for myself, but I'm gonna give this gift basket to a coworker. So I just put a cozy little throw in there, which I got at Walmart for like $2. And then I put socks because hello, who doesn't love warm socks in the winter? At work, we have a bunch of Keurigs, and I put in this really cute coffee is magical mug, and I think like the whole thing is kind of like themed together. I feel like the leopard goes with this rose gold, and the mug kind of goes as well. I put in a couple of Keurig, oh my god, I'm so close, sorry. I put a couple of K-cups in there so she can make some coffee, and then some chocolate as well, and that is another little gift basket idea. Last little idea, these are treats for like more acquaintances or your boss, someone that you're not like super good friends with, but you still want to be thoughtful and give a gift. I bought these plain boxes at Michael's, I believe, and then this one at Hobby Lobby. And last night we had this huge baking session at my house and made a bunch of baked goods to put in there. So we made little mini banana breads, and then inside there is some gingerbread man and some cookies, peppermint bark. And if you don't bake, don't worry, you can just buy some of this stuff at the grocery store. Buy these cute little bags, they're from Michael's, and just separate and put them in the basket, and boom, you're done. You don't have to be a baker to make this one. So we just baked everything last night. Also this one, which I think is super cute. It says Merry Christmas, and inside there's baked goods as well. And you can add like a little Christmas card, and boom, that's all I have to share today. I hope you liked the video and got some good ideas. I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.